Welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today we're going to make aloe vera flaxseed Ambunu gel. First, we're going to prepare our flaxseed by adding 1 cup of water and heating that water up to boiling point. Next, we want to prepare the aloe vera. So you're just taking the aloe vera like a normal aloe vera and just chopping it off. One thing I noticed about my aloe vera, which is an aloe vera that I've been using for a while now, is when I cut the middle of it, it started having this pinkish thing. I don't like that, so I'm not going to include those in my mixture of this gel. So we're just going to take this aloe vera and I'm just going to scoop the content of the aloe vera jelly inside. So aloe vera acts as an humectant. It keeps your hair really moisturized and it helps with maintaining the growth. And we're going to blend this aloe vera. Once we've blended it up, it's now time to check on our water. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flaxseed into this boiling water, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and add 1 tablespoon of Ambunu. Ambunu acts as a very rich moisture retention ingredient. Flaxseed also has that, and they all have a good amount of nutrients that is good for your hair. We're going to cook this with low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Ambunu leaves comes from Chad, and people in Chad, they've been using it for so many purposes. So when you are heating it up, always check it, and you want to be constantly stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt. You don't want it to burn. So after you do that, what you're going to do is, you've cooked it for about 3 to 5 minutes. You're going to turn off the heat and we'll add the aloe vera in there, and then we're going to mix it really good. Both of these ingredients, 3 ingredients, are very beneficial for your hair. They actually help give you shine, give you moisture, give your hair that softness you want. We're going to strain all this. Please let it all cool down before you strain it. I made the mistake one time not to, and I burnt my fingers. So when you're squeezing it, if you see any brownish stuff in there, just pick it off, and then you are good to use this. Now before I use mine, I like adding lavender in it. I add 3 drops of lavender, which acts as an it helps with preserving it and makes it real good. You can see it's really thick. If you don't want yours to have a strong hold or to be as thick as this, please add more water when you are making the flaxseed. So now I'm just gonna add this gooey goodness into my funnel bottle. Details of all the stuff I used are in the description area, and this is what my gel looks like. So let's start using it. To use this gel, you can see it's a really thick gel. This gel is good for people that have thicker hair, coarser hair. If your hair is finer, you can dilute this so that it's not too thick. So as I'm applying it to my hair, I'm going to tell you a couple of information about the content in this gel. Now this gel contains flaxseed, and you guys, you can use flaxseed for so many things. Flaxseed has a ton of benefits for your hair. Some of the benefits that flaxseed has for your hair is not limited to things of, for example, for your skin, it has vitamin E, which adds moisture to it. You can see the definition I have, and even after twisting up my hair, you can see all the nice gooiness. Flaxseed, again, I like it using the seed rather than powder because it gives me good nutrients that I need versus when it has powder. So I let it stay and let it just dry up. You know, I kept it in my hair for like, I want to say like a day and a half, and as I'm unraveling it, my hair feels really soft because I have so much humectant, so much softness in my hair. Humectant from the aloe vera, humectant from the Ambunu. I have no frizz. Look at it. Okay, so my hair looks a bit flat, right? So I'm going to just unravel it some more. If you guys try this out, I want you guys to tag me. I want to see your results. So I'm gonna just make myself beautiful, add my hair ring and kind of volumize it. I'm just picking it out. My hair got bigger as the day went on. Okay, it got bigger, but the definition stayed. So this is what it looks like. If you guys want to try more of Ambunu, I have a playlist dedicated strictly to Ambunu. Okay, I'm gonna add some of my biotin to my edges to keep it growing, and then I'm going to use this as an edge tamer. You all, this is the safest edge tamer you can ever use because it has no alcohol, no silicone, no nothing, and it holds your hair. Look at that. I've not even tied down my hair and it's holding my edges. You all, just let me know if you're gonna try this. Look at that. Look. Okay. We're not doing no rub challenge here, but I'm just smoothing it and I'm just showing you how it's even holding the parts of my hair. I'm gonna use my scarf to just secure it and keep it for like 10 minutes. And yeah, so this is my result. You can see my edges are not going anywhere. I really like it. I couldn't stop touching my hair. I just kept on touching my hair. And this was so nice. There was no flakes, nothing. So if you guys like this, thank you so much. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch these videos. Bye.